What if you could not only track your portfolio, but actually improve it with data, automation, and smart rebalancing? Hi, I'm Barry, a financial technician with the International Federation of Technical Analysts. I've spent over 2 decades investing and testing stock market software, and today I want to show you the 4 best portfolio tracking tools that go way beyond spreadsheets and basic charts. These platforms let you track performance, manage risk, optimize income, and even backtest your investment strategies. If you want more control over your portfolio and better results, stick around. Let's start with my top recommendation, Stock Rover. I've rated it 4.8 out of 5, and for good reason. Stock Rover isn't just a tracker, it's a full investment analysis platform built for long-term investors. It connects directly to your brokerage account, pulls in all your holdings, and then goes to work, showing you live profit and loss, sector allocation, dividend yield, rebalancing needs, and even Monte Carlo simulations. One of its standout features, the future income and dividend projections. You can literally forecast how much your portfolio will generate in passive income over the next year, 5 years, or more. Plus, Stock Rover's screener lets you scan 10,000 plus US and Canadian stocks using over 600 data points, from valuation metrics to dividend safety scores. It even offers Warren Buffett's portfolio preloaded for analysis. You can also create custom reports, export performance data, and compare your results against indices like the S&P 500, all in just a few clicks. If you're managing your own portfolio and want precision, clarity, and powerful research tools, Stock Rover is as good as it gets. Next up is Portfolio 123, a dream platform for DIY strategists, quants, and data-driven investors. I've rated it 4.5 out of 5, and here's why. Portfolio 123 combines detailed portfolio tracking with an incredibly powerful research and backtesting engine. So what makes it different? You can build your own stock screener using over 460 individual data points. That includes fundamentals like PE ratios and cash flow, technical indicators like moving averages and RSI, plus analyst revisions, growth estimates, and even macroeconomic filters. It's one of the most customizable platforms I've ever tested. But the real power is this. Once you've built your screen or strategy, you can run a backtest across more than 10 years of historical market data. And yes, Portfolio 123 is also a full-fledged portfolio tracker. You get real-time performance metrics, profit and loss reporting, and asset allocation insights. You can't trade directly from charts, but it does offer integration with Tradier for order execution, and you can simulate trades to stress test your ideas. Now, let's talk about the future. AI-powered investing. Tickeron, with a 4.4 out of 5, is an advanced tool that uses artificial intelligence to build and manage portfolios tailored to your goals, age, and risk tolerance. You answer a few questions, and in seconds, Tickeron creates a balanced, diversified portfolio, scored using modern portfolio theory. It even gives you a diversification score and tells you how well optimized your portfolio is. What sets Tickeron apart is transparency. Every portfolio it offers has a fully audited trade history. You can see every buy, every sell, profit or loss, with metrics like Sharpe ratio, win rate, and trade duration. You also get access to AI-powered model portfolios like big data and blockchain, or dividend growth leaders, built using real-time market signals and tested algorithms. If you're curious about how artificial intelligence can optimize investing, or want to add a smart layer of analysis, Tickeron is a unique and powerful tool. Finally, let's cover Firstrade, the most cost-effective option on this list with a 4.3 out of 5. Firstrade is a full-service brokerage with 0 commissions on stocks, ETFs, and options. But it also includes solid portfolio tracking tools and access to professional-grade research from Morningstar, Zacks, and Benzinga. The Firstrade Navigator dashboard is clean, customizable, and lets you monitor your portfolio performance, view holdings by sector, and create watch lists for new ideas. While it doesn't offer rebalancing tools or income projections, it's excellent for managing retirement accounts, long-term holdings, and even options trading. If you're looking for a broker and tracker in one with no subscription costs, Firstrade is a smart, beginner-friendly choice. Let's wrap it up. Stock Rover is the best all-around tracker for long-term investors, offering deep analysis and income projections. Portfolio 123 is ideal for testing and building strategies with precision and data-backed insights. Tickeron uses AI to help you create and monitor diversified, goal-based portfolios. Firstrade is a solid, no-fee broker with basic tracking and strong research tools built in. Each tool fits a different investor, from strategy builders to passive income seekers. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more expert reviews and investing strategies. Which of these tools do you use or want to try? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what's working for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.